The purpose of this video is to help you to set up your Google site as your blog. We will go through steps 1 through 4, creating a new Google site, adding your site name, selecting a theme, and then setting up your homepage and all the homepage requirements. So the first step is going to be that we go to New Google Sites. Always use new Google Sites. The old Google Sites was clunky and it's obsolete. So we're going to go to New Google Sites. Now I have a new Google site here. I'm going to use the plus sign to create my new site down on the bottom right-hand side. I'm going to create my site name up here, up in the upper left. And I'm going to call it, this student is creating his site. So it's going to be Skate Maverick and Joe M's blog. I'm not using his full last name. We want to stay away from using our full last name on the internet like that so that it's not searchable. Your title page is also going to have your title on there. And you can also add a logo at this point. So I've saved an image. Let me see. I'll just choose this skateboard image as my logo. And I can keep the background white, that's fine. And now I want to change the banner image. So I need to select a banner. I've actually saved one, so I'm going to upload it. And I think I saved it as skate banner. Let's see. I'll choose that one. Okay. So it is going to automatically adjust for readability. If you don't want it to make that adjustment and make it lighter in the background, you can click this off and remove the readability. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is to make sure we have the theme that we want. So you can change the themes over here. You can do this later after you've published. You can always change the theme. I'm just going to leave it with the simple theme for now. The next thing I'm going to do is to add my bio. So the letter of introduction that I used is going to become my bio. So I have that open here. I'm just copying the body of the letter. I'm going to leave out the heading, the salutation, the date, and the closing here, and just copy the body. And so once I've copied the body, I'm going to create a text box by double clicking, or you can always go to Insert and Text Box over here. But I'm creating a text box and I want to put in the words bio or about me. I'm going to use bio. And then I'm going to paste the letter of introduction here. Now it turned out pretty small, so I can change the size of the font by selecting the words and going over here to normal text and changing it to heading size, or I can change it to subheading. I think I'll leave it as a subheading. Google Sites doesn't allow you to change fonts, but you can change themes and that will adjust the font. So if I decided to go with, let's say, the diplomat style, that would use a slightly different font. I can also change my my color scheme if I want to do that. I'm going to go back to my simple and keep it just plain like that. So now I've finished my bio. So I finished all the way through step 4 on my bio. I'm going to go ahead and stop there. And the next step will be creating my bookshelf.